Hi guys, my name is AMG. Welcome to the tutorial channel. So right now what you see in front of me is new from Era Car, basically a new casting, the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. My first impression of this was actually I think it's something that's a bit normal. That was my first impression when I was just taking pre-orders, because the photos that they gave me that was provided to us even on the internet, it looks okay. It looks only okay, but when I got it in my hands, it definitely felt very different. So let me just show you how does it work. The concept is actually very similar to Tomica mainline series, where when they come up with a car with the numbers, and then there is the first special edition, okay, for number 6, and then there's first special edition for number 7, and then there will be a regular car. So how it works generally is the first edition will be limited produce, while the regular, so-called the regular release, they will make it in a bit more quantity. However, I do not have the information offhand of how many of these were actually made. Okay, so first thing is let's take a look at the packaging. All right, so first thing I noticed actually it has some weight to it. It's really very heavy. That is so it feels like a quality product, I would say. Because sometimes we if you collect premium cars, sometimes when you hold a resin model, and it feels really weird when it's really very light. So this is actually quite heavy. Okay, so up here we have the Era logo. Okay, at the back mine is bumped a little bit. It has that licensed Daimler product sticker, so this is official licensed product. Okay, so it has all the details of Era Myth Group Era car. Okay, and then underneath there's warning, and I believe it's choking hazard. Yeah, choking hazard. So it's not suitable for kids under 3 years old. Surprisingly, yeah, under 3 years old. So 4 years old and above kids are still okay. Okay, so that's what it says lah. Yeah. Okay, so on the side, this is actually a red and black edition, first special edition. Okay, it says the same on both sides. So the regular one, it won't say the first special edition. Okay, so the rest of it actually is pretty much the same. So it came in 4 colors. This new release, 4 variants, I would say. This is basically maybe I can call it the stock version of the 6x6. All right, and then number 7 is actually the spotlight version. So from the illustration, right, we can see that is the very first difference. So upcoming, there are another two variants of this 6x6, which has more accessories to it. So I'm definitely looking forward to that as well. Yeah. Okay, so this one is the regular. I just want to take a quick look. I think pretty much packaging wise, everything looks pretty much the same. Number 7. All right. Okay. And okay, so I want to take a look at the red black first, because this one looks actually really very nice. All right. So let's go straight to it. I'm just gonna take it out of the box. You know what? And then sorry. So I just take it out of the box. Okay. So it has that little placeholder thing. Ooh, check out the red and the black. Wow, quite nice. Quite amazing. Well, this thing is really very heavy. It's really quite solid. Ooh. I'm impressed. First look, I'm quite impressed. It does look quite good actually. Check out the details on the wheels. That's very nice. So it's an opening door. Okay, let's see. Ooh, even the interior, I can't get my finger in there. Yeah, look at that. You can see there's some details on the steering wheel and the dashboard. That's very nice. That's very nice. Look at the back bumper here. Ooh, mine is bent a little bit. This one is a bit more fragile. Yeah, mine is bent a little bit. Someone heavy stepped on it, I guess. Damn. Okay. Look at that. So two doors are open. Yeah, it's openable, both sides. The front two doors, and then oh, look at that. Check out the details up front. Check out the lights and the front grille. It's all done properly. That's very nice. That's very nice. Okay, let's see the bonnet. Let's open it up. Ooh, check that out. That's sweet. That is pretty decent. Can you see it? That is pretty decent. It has the Mercedes logo in it as well. And oh, what does it say? Is it the AMG? Yeah, it is an AMG logo actually. I'm looking at it upside down. That's why I couldn't tell what the hell was that. Yeah, it's an AMG logo in there as well. AMG logo and a Mercedes logo. That's really, really cool. That is really cool. Okay, so this is the red and black. All right. Oh, let's just put the box back here. That's a red and black. So the green, I have already have it out. From the box and the actual thing, it actually, the color wise, it actually looks quite different. But then again, I do quite like this green. That's very nice. Let's see the interior as well. Okay, the doors are really very tight. The doors are really very tight. So my steel bar at the back, no issue there. No issues here. The wheels are plastic. Yep, they are not. Oh wait. Oh, they are hard rubber. What? What? I thought they're plastic. Damn, they even give rubber wheels, man. It feels plasticky. I guess it's a mix, maybe a plastic with rubber. It feels plasticky, but man, I can take it off actually. What? Well done, man. Well done. That surprised me. Okay, let's just do it. You know what? Yeah. Check it out. Oh, got it off. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Yeah, so it's rubber wheels, man. Rubber wheels. Because the price bracket, this is actually, I would compare it with Tomica Premium. So far, era cars, price-wise, I would compare it with Tomica Premium. So I think if I compare it to Tomica Premium, this is actually a bang for your buck. I think it's pretty worth it. See the lights, the details of the lights, the brake lamps, that's a separate piece. That's very nice. You get doors that can open, details in the interior. That's very nice. The lights up front, the headlamps, that's a separate piece so that it looks much more realistic. The front grille is pretty done very nicely. The wipers, yeah, it's just a single piece with the mold of the body, so it's die cast. Okay, and again, a party piece. Ooh, engine, nice. So that's a pretty nice green. Okay, so this yeah, the so-called the regular the regular version. Then next, let's take a look at the white. I got a white out here as well. I got it open up. Check out the white. It's a solid white, a flat white, I will call it. Yeah, a flat white. Nice. Okay, so at the back right, I think the white is a bit more obvious with the logos. G63, AMG, and 6x6. Nice. So this is, yeah, this one is more obvious. The reverse lights is down here and the additional brake light. Or it could be a fog lamp. Alright. Nice. So this one has the carbon fiber fenders. Compared to number 6, it's plain black. So number 7 has that carbon fiber kind of touch to it. See, there's that carbon fiber touch on the hood as well. And again, yeah, the hood is openable. Nice, very nice. Okay, let's see underneath. Yep, there is a little detail underneath, which is to me is good enough. There's an ERA logo in here, Benz G63. So this is screwed on, so probably if you want to, you can actually screw it off. It's made in China. 2248. I wonder what is that. I wonder what's that. There's 1115. I wonder what's that. This one is not there. Is that the running number for the first special edition colors? Could that be it? Questions. Questions. Okay, I've got to try to find that out. Or if you do know, do let me know in the comment section below, right? If you do know what is that running number. And the yellow. Let's go to the yellow. I have it out here as well in the interest of time. Oh no! What happened? What happened? Ooh, out of the box. Out of the box. Oh no. Oh no. What's that? Out of the box. Yeah, I didn't notice that just now. I just pulled it out and I put it aside. Oh no. Let's see. I think it's just a pretty straightforward. It don't look like it's broken. It just looked like it's, it just came off. Okay, I'll just try to put it back in. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's too much of a trouble. I can just slot it back in. Yeah, it just came off. It's alright. It's not broke. It just came off. Chill, guys. Chill. Alright, chill. There you go. That's a very nice yellow, actually. Check that out. Man, these things, I'm actually quite impressed. I am actually quite impressed. So this one, the variant is actually the spotlights. Yeah, can you see it? There. Let's just do a quick comparison here. Yeah, it's the spotlights. So this one, I think it's stock to have this up here, this accessory up here. So the number 7 has that spotlight variant, and also in a different colors. That's nice. That is nice. Okay, let's see. I like that. The other detail they put in here is the interior. It's all different colors. Let's see if there is any detail in here. So this one, okay, this one is actually quite minimal. There's a bit of silver on the steering wheel. Apart from that, I think it's just black. Yeah, just black interior. Oh, this is a little bit boring. This is a very bad example. Damn. Because the white one, right, it actually has white trimmings. So that's actually very nice. Even on the steering wheel, there's a bit of white in there. And the seats, the trims are in white. That's nice. The red one is pretty much a red interior. Again, with a little bit of silver lining on the trims. Okay. Oh, I think, yeah, the green one has that brown. Yeah, it has that brown black interior. That's nice. So I think this one has, in my opinion, the best interior. I like that black and black and brown combination. That's nice. So this interior is a little bit boring. Anyway, but the yellow makes up for it. It is a very nice yellow. And it has the engine details as well. Okay, so again, definitely I want to do the roll test. Okay, I don't remember if I've done roll test for the Era car yet, but of course for this new casting, let's do it. Let's do it. Are you confident? Yeah? Yeah? What do you think? Okay, let's just step back. Come on, step back. Moment of truth. Yeah, it rolls. Yeah, it rolls quite nicely, actually. It rolls quite nicely. So, my understanding is that I believe most of Era cars will actually roll very nicely. So for you roller collectors out there, this would be definitely something for you. Very nice. You can see that little branding on the front fender as well. V8 AMG. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so that's about it for this round. I will be taking close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, vertitoys.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell, okay, so you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye, guys.